Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Binance Passkey. Alright, so first up, open up your Binance app. Let's go ahead and set it up right here at the top left. Tap on it. Now tap on your profile and just tap on verify and just tap on security. Okay, tap on it. And then in here, go ahead and use Passkey. For passkeys, you can go ahead and use flash drive. Okay, so just tap on add passkey right here. Now, in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingerprint. So it needs a 6-digit verification code from your email. So just go ahead and put that in here. Wait for it. And then once that's done, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and use my fingerprint. Okay, let's just wait for it. And once done, you should be good to go. Now you can go ahead and use, more options right here. As you can see, you can choose security key. Okay, if you want this option, you just go ahead and follow simple prompts. Now to verify, all you got to do, is just go ahead and log out. Tap on your profile, top right, log out. Now just log back in and just use your passkey. Okay, as you can see here, it says verifying with passkey. So just sign in. I'm going to use my fingerprint, and as you can see here, it's trying to log me in. That's basically it. That is how you verify your Binance Passkey. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.